Any action a user takes is available via our APIs, react.js library, or via our Python SDK. For example, building a dashboard, administering the environment, and building security. We offer both declarative and imperative APIs to improve developer experience and make management and scaling of good data easy. In this example, we will show a more complex scenario of applying a security policy change to remove phone number information from the entire BI environment using code. To do this, an analytics developer pulls the YAML definitions from the environment. We then run a script to update the YAML file to apply the change. Going back to the dashboard, we see the new policy is in place and phone number is removed without breaking any downstream content. It's important to draw a distinction between imperative APIs, which require very granular instructions to take a single action on a single object at a time, and declarative APIs, which allow you to make large-scale changes to many objects at once. GoodData was architected from the ground up to offer both options, unlike many desktop BI tools.